Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Adventures in the Forgotten Realms. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Earth Cult Elemental, followed by Arcane Investigator. You come to the Knoll Camp. Herald of Hadar. Ranger's Longbow. You are ambushed on the road. Soul Knife Spy. Grim Bounty. Rime Shield Frost Giant. Ray of Frost. Ray of Enfeeblement. Bag of Holding. Vorpal Sword. Hobgoblin Captain in foil. Our land is an island. And we have an arena promo card for our last card. So again, we have an island, foil Hobgoblin Captain, Vorpal Sword, which I would love to build something around this, but it's another one of those, like it's easy to get out at 1 black and equip it for 2 black, but then, I mean, even just the equipment ability of like getting +2/+0 and Death Touch, that's great for a total of 3 mana. But pulling off this 8 mana instant win, or instant a player loses the game, I should say, is gonna be tricky. But I really like that it exists. I would hate to see it happen to me. I would love to pull it off. So I think that makes for a fun experience to have something like that possible. I don't know what I would do to make this consistent. I don't know if I would want this in standard or like in 2-player format, or if I would want this in like a multiplayer or like a large group format like Commander. It probably, I mean, it's an instant win in 1-on-1, but in group play, it's at the very least a very scary thing when you see it happen once. So I don't know where this would fit better. If you have ideas for where this should be, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see what you are doing with Vorpal Sword if you're using it. And if you're not, why aren't you? If you have a story about using it or it being used against you, I'd love to hear about that. So let me know. Our next card is the Bag of Holding. And Ray of Enfeeblement. Ray of Frost. Rime Shield Frost Giant. Grim Bounty. Soul Knife Spy. You're ambushed on the road. Ranger's Longbow. Herald of Hadar. You come to the Knoll Camp. Arcane Investigator. And Earth Cult Elemental. That's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.